Hello everyone, this is Miss Pokrivki and I'm here with this video for teaching you how to use VoiceThread and how to post your comments, your thoughts, your reflection, whatever you need to post in this wonderful tool. So I'm here with the example. Will be an example of a voice podcast or even a video podcast. In this first slide, I have uploaded my picture, and I'm going to show you very quick how you can provide, how you can record either your video podcast or your audio podcast. Once you are in the slide, you go with the cursor down here, you will see this plus. If you click on the plus, you will see that different tools show up. So in this, you will be able to upload something, a file, a document, an image like the one I uploaded here. The video, I'm able to record my video podcast. In here with this microphone or with a phone, if I want to call in with my real phone, I can provide the audio podcast. With the ABC, basically, I will be able to provide a little comment. Here is my comment. And save, and you will see that appears here on the side as a comment. Depending on the assignment, you will have different tools that you're available to you. So sometimes you can actually write, sometimes you can just record your voice or your video. If you are asked to create a new podcast or a new voice thread, what will happen is you will have an image similar to this one, and you'll be able to either record your audio, upload a file, or record your video. Now, have you seen where I clicked? Down here where there is this double rectangle, basically that's what it shows all of the slides of this particular voice thread. And in this particular one, right now there is just one because it's the one that I have created, and other students will have to create a new one. This way they can upload a file clicking here, for instance, and let's say they want to upload, I'm putting this picture of my nephew. So they can upload a picture exactly as I did for myself, and here they can go over and they can use your voice and record here the voice talking about how dirty the nostril of my nephew looks like. Stop recording when you're done. Record here the voice talking about. Listen to it. The nostril of my nephew. Save if you are satisfied, and you will see that here next you will see the picture of your recording. Now, if I wanted to actually create a video instead of a picture with the voice, what I can do is add a slide and record a video. At this time, the video doesn't show anything because I'm using the webcam for actually recording me here in this small rectangle. But otherwise, in this big rectangle, you will see actually yourself recorded by your camera. And once you're done, you click on stop recording. It doesn't show anything because I'm using the webcam for actually recording. You will listen to your voice, and once you're done, you click and save, and the new slide will have your video podcast. So these are the different options you have. One last thing I want to show you is how to provide a comment. Again, you want to post a comment to your classmates. You can post an audio comment. As I showed you earlier, you click on the plus. Here I'm posting a comment. I looked at and listened to your submission. It was very interesting. I'm so excited about being here in the same class with you. Stop the recording. here I'm posting a comment. I listen to it and I save it because I like it. And here my comment will appear. I can also do the video the same way, or I can do a comment, a typed. So these are all the options you have. I really hope that this video helps you in knowing how to use this tool. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate and let me know. Bye now.